Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's a cook with me. I am making bundazi, that is what it's called in my local language, and it is called daddies in English. It is a snack that you can have at any time of that day. This is everything that I'll be using. It is sugar, that is prestige margarine. You can use butter if you have butter. I will need an egg, lemon for flavor, baking soda, cooking oil, warm water, flour, and milk. I have no mixer, so I'll be using my own hands to mix it. No worries, I cleaned them very well. After mixing it thoroughly, here in Uganda we call it okukanda, then it gets very soft. You let it rest for 20 to 15 minutes before you cut it into the shapes that you want. Mixing till the dough is off your hands. After letting the dough rest for 20 minutes, then you cut it into small squares. It's now time for frying. The heat should be medium high, and 3 to 4 minutes they should be ready. kindly subscribe if you haven't already. I beg you. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you.